are just now in the defense colony area of Chennai, which is right adjacent to the Adyar River, and this area was completely filled up with water going above my head. You can see the army is right here and rescue operations are on. They're moving out senior citizens and women who are pregnant and children who have been stuck for the past couple of days. Even these boats are being brought in right here inside Defence Colony. The Navy and the Army both working together to ensure that people who are absolutely near the Adyar River, right across the banks, they are rescued today. Yesterday, they rescued at least 200 people from the Adyar region itself, and now they have brought many other boats. They are also got boats from fishermen, hired them, and they are trying to rescue people. It's a very difficult area also because many of these lanes are very narrow. It becomes difficult to bring down these people. But now we're all going on this boat because the rescue operation is going to take place much deeper inside to try and bring out people. People who have been rescued are just being brought back in these boats by the army and the navy. You can see these women, an extremely old woman right inside there, has just been rescued by army officials here in Defence Colony. They have been stuck for a very long time now. How do you feel you have been rescued finally? I mean, it must have been really bad up there.
Very nice of them. Stranded. Nobody could rescue. All the boats that were going somewhere else. All the boats.
How bad it became yesterday?
There was nothing now.
We're just on the Defence Colony's interiors, which is just about 100 meters from the Adyar River. Now, we were supposed to go all the way down there, but there is so much force of the water, and also it's you can't pull the boat by walking, and therefore the army has decided to call this particular rescue mission off because they need to have motor boats to carry the boat all the way there itself. Now, there's a snake. The dangers really of when you're out there, there, you can see the snake there. These are the dangers. These are the real dangers of, going inside these waters of the Adyar River. Right there, you can see that water snake, now going in the bush right there. But these are really the dangers, and it becomes very difficult for army officials, navy officials who are down here trying to rescue people. Many of these homes you are seeing down there are all of either serving or retired army officials who have been stuck here for more than 24 hours. With camera person Dinesh Harale in Defence Colony, Chennai, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.